Do you want to learn how to do a backflip? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to perform a backflip properly, all right? I'm going to show you the exercises that will strengthen your body to do a backflip, to increase your vertical jump, and to increase your flexibility to perform a backflip that will impress your friends and your family. Stay tuned. Alright, so to start off, my name is Jared Tiller, and I am the next biggest fitness influencer that you're going to be hearing about in the near future, alright? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a backflip, alright? There's many how to do a backflip tutorials out there, but I feel like they're not thorough enough and they don't teach you how to perform a backflip properly, alright? So I'm going to teach you how to perform a backflip properly, how to strengthen your body to do a backflip properly, alright? So let's watch the video.
Alright, so the first exercise that we're doing is a jumping exercise to help us increase our vertical height, okay? So what we want to do is we want to kneel down, but make sure you're not at a 90-degree angle. Make sure you're above that. Put your arms behind you, and then when you try to jump up, make sure that you swing your arms up. By you swinging your arms, you generate momentum, which will help you to propel your body into the air, alright? So practice this exercise as much as you could, alright? Make sure that you jump high enough because you need enough height to perform the backflip safely, okay? So practice this as many times as you want. Alright, so the next exercise, not next exercise, but the next stretch that we're going to be doing is the bridge, alright? We're just performing the bridge stretch just to make sure that we have enough flexibility in our spine, alright? Because when we're performing the backflip, we do have to bend our spine in a way in order for us to perform the backflip. So I want you to hold this stretch as long as you like, alright? At first it might feel painful because I know it was painful for me at first, alright? But after a while, I didn't feel no pain and my spine was much more flexible, okay? So hold this position as long as you like until it's easier and you feel no pain. I wish somebody told me about this exercise when I first started to learn how to do a backflip, because when I first started to do a backflip, I hit my head on the floor because I was scared of flipping over, and it was not a nice scene. I was in pain. But basically, I want you to get a mat or a soft surface area or floor, and then I want you to practice flipping over, okay? This will help you to conquer your fear of flipping over. Practice this as many times as you like until you're very confident and comfortable flipping over, okay? Alright, last but not least, when you're performing a backflip, it's necessary to tuck in your knees, and this exercise will help you to learn that habit. Basically, I want you to just jump up in the air and at your highest point, bring your knees up to your chest and then land back on your feet, okay? Make sure that you're swinging your arms up to help propel your body into the air. Perform this exercise as many times as you could, alright, until you feel confident. Alright, so I'm going to incorporate all of the stretches and exercises that we just did. Right now, I'm just checking the floor to make sure I have enough traction. Alright, and voila, there you go. Alright, here's a replay of it. I'm swinging my arms up. Alright, I'm bending my legs. I'm tucking in my legs as I do the flip and landing on the balls of my feet. Alright.
Alright guys, so I really hope you like this video. Keep in mind that you have to keep practicing in order to perform the backflip correctly. You might not get it the first time, but I guarantee you, if you keep practicing, you will be able to do the backflip in no time, alright? I also advise you to first practice on a trampoline, alright, and then progress to the grass, the mats, and then the hard surface floors. The trampoline is the safest place to practice because if you mess up or you land wrong, you will land on a soft surface so that you will decrease your chances of injury significantly, alright? So practice on a trampoline first, guys, alright? Also, guys, leave comments. I'm always reading your comments. Tell me how long it took you to learn how to do a backflip, and also tell me what I could alter in my videos to make it much effective for you, alright? Alright, so make sure you subscribe if you have not. You're missing out on incredible content. Make sure you check out my IG profile. It's to stay in shape, alright? And I'll see you next time. Peace.